welcome to Straight Up by edX Live, and we are back with another episode where we update you with the latest news from the education sector. The Supreme Court of India today, September 17, resumed the hearing of the rape murder of the 31-year-old female doctor at the Arjikar Medical College and Hospital case, which it had taken suo cognizance of. The matter was being heard by a bench led by Chief Justice of India (CJI) D.Y. Chandrachud, J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra. Here are the highlights from the hearing for you under 2 minutes. First, the hearing began with senior advocate Kapil Sibal saying, and I quote, "If your live stream matters with huge emotive implications, moment your lordship makes any comment. We have a 50-year reputation that is broken overnight." Unquote. The CJI, however, said that the live streaming will continue. Second, the Chief Justice of India mentioned about the CBI report. He said, and I quote, "We have looked at the status report of the CBI. Making a disclosure of the CBI today will jeopardize the investigation." Unquote. Third, furthermore, Wikipedia was directed to remove the name and photo of the deceased doctor from its website as Indian laws don't permit the identification of rape victims. Fourth, West Bengal will remove limits on women doctors' duty hours and night shifts. CGI said, and I quote, "Women don't want concessions, they want equal opportunities." Unquote. Fifth, concerning security issues, the CGI said that there needs to be an SOP, a standard operating procedure, on where police personnel or CCTVs are posted. There has to be biometric verification for resting rooms, which can only be accessed by the doctors. Sixth, senior advocate Indira Jaisingh, appearing for junior doctors, said, "The one reason that the junior doctors are not returning to work is that they believe that someone involved in an alleged cover-up still works at the hospital." Jaisingh said, and I quote, "They are still roaming around. We want to go back to work." Unquote. 7. In concluding orders from CJI, he said that no adverse action will be taken against the doctors. He further said that they have also assured the constitution of confidential grievance mechanism. With this, the arguments concluded. The case will be heard next week. That was all we had for you today. My name is Siddhi, and for more such education related news, stay tuned to edX Live.